my name is Nathalie. I created my company, Nats Rawline, 6 years ago. We are making raw cakes, plant-based cakes, vegan, gluten-free. I started in my kitchen and now we are distributed everywhere in the U.S., in Europe, in the Emirates, in UK. Very happy about this. The U.S. is a really great market for nuts products. They are really into plant-based, into raw food. So yeah, I'm really pleased to sell here in the U.S. I was vegan 20 years ago, so I started creating recipes when I was 15 years old. My parents thought I was crazy, eating only seeds, grains. But thanks to this, I actually created my business, and today I'm really happy about it. We produce everything in Belgium. We have 4 different flavors in the US, distributed at Whole Foods, Sprouts, Wegmans, Costco, and many other retailers. So you can find us there. Please go there, try our treats, give us some feedback because I love knowing what you think about my products. I'm very passionate about it, so send me an email at Nathalie@natsrawline.com. Follow us on Instagram, Nats Rawline, and tell us what you think about our products. Thank you so much.